Here, along the edge of the Smoky Mountains, we'll be making our ginger pomegranate antioxidant salad dressing. It's absolutely delicious and it supports the immune system. We came up with it when we were in the Subtropolis caves of Kansas City on episode 2, so that's how it got its name.
Go ahead and clean your surface first. Then get your ingredients ready. For this dressing, we are using Creole seasoning, Pomagranate Balsamic Vinegar, Pomagranate Juice, Grapefruit Juice, olive oil. I'm gonna get a few cloves of garlic. Have my garlic press nice and handy. Go ahead and cut the fresh ginger. Go ahead and cut it in half so it's easier to deal with in the garlic press. Start out with another pomegranate juice bottle. Go ahead and add my grapefruit juice in first. Don't have to do a bunch, but enough to get your flavor in there. I like the grapefruit in there mixed with the pomegranate. The pomegranate's a little overpowering, so grapefruit juice is good. About halfway with your juice. Go ahead and add in my olive oil. Really simple to make. And I don't like measuring devices, so I don't use them. Go ahead and add in that. Do a little bit more. Depending on how you like the flavor, add in just about a quarter of that bottle. Next, go in with the vinegar. Nice balsamic. Add that in there like that. Now I'll go ahead and add in my ginger and garlic mixture. For the final ingredient, we got Creole seasoning.
Add in 1 tablespoon of seasoning and give it a good shake.
This stuff is really great right out the gate, but its real magic is in the next day after it sits in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. Oh man, that is a great dressing.
This is one of those $3 salads from Walmart. We're going to throw out the dressing that it came with, and we are going to add a packet of tuna for lean protein and half an avocado for good HDL fats. This dressing is a great choice if cancer runs in your family, and it has mental health benefits as well. I'll leave you with this beautiful Smoky Mountain rain. Thanks for riding along with us.